In this video, I'm going to show you how you can record your iPhone screen with sound. Whether you need to record your iPhone screen with internal audio, external audio, or both. This video is for you. I'm also going to share with you best settings for quality screen recording results. So make sure you watch this video till the very end. Let's get started.
The first thing I'm going to show you is how to enable the screen recording feature on your iPhone. To do this, swipe down from the top to access the control center. Locate the screen recording feature. As you can see, it is active because I am actually recording my screen right now. If you can't find it, click and hold on the empty part of the control center, and now you can add, remove, resize, or rearrange the controls. To add the screen recording feature, click on add a control at the bottom. Navigate and look for screen recording. Click on it to add it to the control center. If you are on the earlier versions of iPhone, go to settings and locate control center. Over here, you will see all the controls. Locate screen recording and click on add to add it to the control center. Next, I'm going to show you how to record your iPhone screen with sound. If you want to add your voice to your screen recordings to show some tutorial process on your phone, like what I'm doing right now in this video, swipe down to access the control center. Click and hold on the screen recording button. At the bottom, you will find microphone. So if you want to add your voice to your tutorials or screen recordings, make sure the microphone is turned on before you hit start recording. Wait for 3 seconds countdown and your screen recording will begin. If you don't want to add your voice or any external audio into your recording, and you want your recording to capture only system audio or internal audio, that is sound from system apps or your gaming apps or any other sound coming directly from your phone, then you need to turn off the microphone before you start recording. Finally, I'm going to share with you some best tips for high quality screen recording results. Let's go to settings, navigate and locate camera, click on record video and select 4K at 60 frames per second. So the difference between the 4K at 30 and 4K at 60 frames per second is that the 60 frames per second means that there will be more frames, hence you have a smoother video. The only disadvantage is that 60 frames per second will mean that your files will be larger. So if storage capacity is not a problem to you, then 4K at 60 frames per second is the best for a smoother screen recording results. The next tip is that make sure you increase your brightness for a better clarity. Go to display and brightness. So increase your brightness for a better clarity so that viewers can actually see your phone and what you are showing on your screen. And also make sure that True Tone is disabled for better clarity. And the last thing is make sure that night shift is off for a better clarity. Otherwise your screen will not be brighter, or there will be less clarity and viewers cannot actually see what you are showing on your screen.
After screen recording your iPhone and you want to show it in your YouTube videos, then I have a video created just for you on how you can be able to show your iPhone screen in your YouTube videos and how you can add a mobile frame to it to make it look more attractive and professional. I will leave the link in the video description. Go ahead, click on it and watch it. Don't forget to like this video, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section down below and I'll be glad to respond to them and offer you the assistance that you need. And also subscribe to this channel for more videos like this in the future. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.